What's up, guys? Jason back here on my CJ-2A. I had a commonly asked question. I guess I didn't go over this one in depth. I'll do it again when I do the 3B because it's essentially the same on the early 3B. But talking about the oil pressure line, and you'll see right here you've got the steel line. So I had a guy that we sell this full kit, but I guess they didn't realize how everything was supposed to connect together. So if you can see down there, you'll see you have a 90-degree right there at the block. It comes up to a 10-inch hose. And then you've got this little coupler. Goes from the hose to the steel line. And then the steel line is going to run up the trajectory here. And then it's going to pass into that hole right there. That steel line is something that we make for the 2A, which is just this, the shorter section. We also have it for the 3B because it's taller. It's a longer one, and it's specific to the 3B with the multi gauges, like the 5 gauges and the dash. And that's what we'll be doing on Mike's CJ3B. Now, that hole is a straight shot to the back of the gauge. All right, I know we got a lot going on underneath the dash there, but that's it coming in, and it just goes straight in to the back side of the gauge. Right there. So again, that's all it is. That's just that 90 up to this steel line with a coupler and gets bolted here on the firewall and passes in directly to the back of the gauge. So that's the oil pressure. That'll be the same for the MB, GPW, 2A, 3A, and early 3B. It's the same setup. I hope that helps, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.